How's it going, everyone? In today's video, I'll show you on how you can practice OSU patterns the right way. So if you're struggling on a certain pattern on an OSU level, and basically you want to go ahead and practice that specific pattern over and over again, I have an easy way for you to do that. So let's go ahead and choose one of the hardest levels for this specific level right here. So the first thing that you want to do is to just right click on your level, click edit. And then what you want to do is to browse through the pattern that you want to memorize. So let's say the pattern is going to be right here for mine. You just want to highlight the starting of the pattern until the end of the pattern right here. So in my case, it's going to be this one. You could just press Control C on your keyboard to copy the actual patterns. And then from there, let's go ahead and just delete everything right here, which make things a lot easier for us. And then simply right after deleting, you could just press Control V on your keyboard. That will replace the entire level with the only pattern that we have selected. So in here, I'm just going to place it on the beginning of the level, which will then look something like this. And if we go ahead and click on test, it will only allow us to go ahead and play on that specific pattern. So it's going to be this one. Once again, it's going to be a little bit hard. So I actually cannot go ahead and play it. And in here, if once again you had a hard time, just click on retry once more, play the specific pattern again, and you should be good to go. And so guys, if this video has been helpful, leave a like, subscribe, and follow us for more videos like this. Thanks for watching.